is Ethan Ford, and I've been playing drums for about 13 years. I am currently a student at the University of Arkansas, where I play in the Hog Wild Band, which is the pet band for the basketball team. And I play in a band called Edgar Lee Island, and I record for various different people in the area of Northwest Arkansas. Today, I will be talking about the Collision 5AR sticks. I really like these sticks because typically I like a longer stick, and so I wanted to see what the Reach version of the Collision sticks could offer. I really like that they are slightly longer than the sticks that I had been using because I sit further back from the kit, and so these sticks allow me to kind of sit up nice and tall without having to lean over anything because of the longer design. The weight is really good. Of course, it's just a 5A thickness, but the balance is really nice as far as the length and the thickness goes. The tip being just a little bit rounder and rounded off at the top really makes tone coming out of toms a lot better because it's a smoother sound. I feel like warmer. Like I said, again, the balance is really nice. They have a little bit of forward weight almost depending on where you hold the stick. They feel really nice in the hands. The glaze is not too much. It's just right. I like a pretty bare stick, and so when I got these in the mail, I was like, oh yeah, these are gonna feel good because they felt pretty raw, which is really nice. And I haven't had any splinters, and I've used them a couple times just to kind of break them in, and they seem to be holding up pretty well. So today I will be playing, it's called Yours Forever by Hillsong United. It is from the live album, so it's a worship song that kind of got almost turned into like arena rock for a concert. So I really like the style of it. All right, let's get into it.